In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off professional mode here on Instagram. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Instagram content like this. The first thing that you're going to want to do if you want to turn off professional mode here on Instagram is actually open up Instagram and go to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right. From here, go ahead and tap the three lines up in the top right corner and scroll down on this page until you see the option that says Creator Tools and Controls. Go ahead and select that and then scroll all the way down on this page until you see the option to switch to a personal account. You're going to want to click on this switch account type here and then tap switch to a personal account and you're good to go. When you click on it, it is going to ask you to confirm that you'd like to do this. Simply go ahead and confirm it and you are good to go. You're now going to be on a personal account rather than a professional one. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.